Hello everyone, this is Teacher L, and for today we're going to learn about the division of fraction. So for our first example, we have 1/2 divided by 2/3. As a recap, the number at the top, the 1 and 2, we call that as our numerator, and the number at the bottom, 2 and 3, that is our denominator. So for this example, for our solution, 1/2 divided by 2/3. First, we copy the 1/2, then the division sign, we change it to multiplication. So, yung division, gawin nating multiplication. Then, the 2/3, i-flip natin or gawin nating numerator, maging denominator, at ang denominator is maging numerator. So, that is equal to 3/2. So, kung mapansin ninyo, we just flip the numerator to denominator. Then we simplify 1 times 3, that is 3. Then 2 times 2, that is 4. For this example, our answer is 3/4. Next, we have 3/2 divided by 5/4. So for the solution, first, we copy the 3/2. Then we change the division to multiplication. Tapos, yung 5/4, i-flip lang natin. Gawin nating 5 ang nasa baba, tapos yung 4 ang nasa taas. Then, we simplify. We multiply numerator to numerator, that is 3 times 4, that is 12. Then, denominator to denominator, that is 2 times 5, that is equal to 10. So, 12/10 is divisible by 2. So, we divide numerator and denominator by 2. So, that is 6/5. So, 12 divided 2, that is 6. And 10 divided 2, that is 5. So, our final answer is 6/5. For our third example, we have 2/7 divided by 1/3. So, for our solution, first, we copy the 2/7. Then, we change the division sign to multiplication. Tapos, i-flip natin yung 1/3. Gawin natin 3/1. So, same lang sa mga previous example natin. Tapos, we multiply 2 times 3. That is 6. Then, 7 times 1. That is 7. So, this is our final answer, 6/7. For our fourth example, we have 3/8 divided by 1/3. That is, first, we copy the first fraction, 3/8. Then, we change the division sign to multiplication. Tapos, i-flip natin yung 1/3. That is 3/1. Then, we simplify numerator to numerator. So, that is 3 times 3. That is 9. Tapos, 8 times 1. That is 8. So, this is our final answer, 9/8. For the fifth example, we have 1/9 divided by 2/5. So first, we copy the first fraction, 1/9. Then we change the division sign to multiplication. Ito. Then we flip 2/5. So gawin natin siyang 5/2. Tapos we simplify 1 times 5, that is 5. Then 9 times 2, that is 18. So this is our final answer, 5/18. For our last example, we have 2/5 divided by 5/4. So same process lang yung i-adapt natin for this example. So first, we copy the fraction, 2/5. Then we change the division to multiplication sign. Tapos we flip 5/4. So that would be 4/5. Tapos we multiply numerator to numerator, that is 2 times 4, that is 8. Then 5 times 5, that is 8/25. So this will be our final answer. So if you have questions or comments, you may put your comment down below.